Hey there, how are you doing? Ishna here and I'm back with another fragrance review video, and this time it is going to be from the House of Ramsons. This is another Indian brand and it's super affordable. So make sure you stick till the end because I'm going to talk about 3 beautiful fragrances which you don't want to miss out. But before we get started, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and join this family and ring the bell icon next to it so that you're notified for all my future uploads. Now without rambling any further, let's get started. Now the first 2 fragrances that I'm going to talk about from the Ramsons brand are the ones that I have already shown as a part of my Nykaa haul. I will link that up here if you haven't watched that already. I would highly encourage you to take a look at that video because I got some interesting products in that haul and I believe you will be enjoying that a bit. So this is the first fragrance that I want to talk to you about. This is Midnight, A Night to Remember from Ramsons. This was part of that Nykaa haul. This is not my first encounter with Ramsons brand at all. I have used Ramsons before. I was introduced to this brand much before with a perfume called You Are Sweet, and I'm going to review that at the last because that's the best fragrance. I've already given it out in the starting of the video itself, but that will be reviewed much later. So stick around till the end in order to see that. So this is how the outside packaging looks like. It's a cardboard box and you get a red and black theme going on throughout. You have a horse embossed on top of it as well, and these are all EDPs that I am going to show in today's video. I'm going to talk about EDPs in this video only, and this is a 40 ml bottle, and when you open this you get to see again a safety lid, and when you open this is how your fragrance is housed. The bottle is a stunning bottle. Just look at this. This is this ombre effect going on from red to black. And this is a translucent bottle. It's a very, very pretty, gorgeous, glamorous and a nighttime bottle which will look great on your vanity. This one, from the look of it, you can tell it's a night perfume, right? Because it's black, it's mysterious and all that. From the packaging perspective, it looks great on your vanity. The lid is super secure. See, I have to pull it out like this, and the spray, the atomizer is quite good as well. I hope my camera picked that up. The fragrance, my god, I believe there's a strong note of vetiver and woody fragrance in this, woody accord in this fragrance. It's a very stylish, it's a very intoxicating and enigmatic fragrance, but this heavily leans on the masculine side, and I believe I will be wearing it because I like men's cologne as well. I wear my husband's cologne as well because I don't think that a perfume should have a stamp on it, whether it's masculine or feminine. But yeah, there are a few notes that works well with men than women, and this is kind of that fragrance that allows kind of a fragrance that a bit leans on towards the masculine side. So I'm going to pass it on to my husband, and of course I will be sharing it with him for sure. This is quite aromatic and exquisite. I mean, it's a very party appropriate thing. I will not recommend this as a daily wear because this is something the bottle itself talks about and indicates it's to be a nighttime perfume, right? So I think it is best for evening, special occasions, parties and nighttime. That's what. This perfume, which is of 40 ml, retails for ₹140. Yes, you heard that correct. This entire fragrance video, all the perfumes are well within 150 rupees. So yes, this is 140. But don't you worry, I didn't pay 140 for this, neither you will be, because Ramsons always has got great discounts running on Nykaa. I remember I got this around 112 or something like that. So yes, it's that cheap, and the performance you get out of this is extremely well. Being an EDP, this performs well despite the price point. I have seen 1000 rupees perfume also having lesser performance quality than this one, because this lasts on your skin for at least 4 to 5 hours, and if you spray it, rather overspray it on yourself, on your clothes and all, you will smell it even the next day. But be careful with the overspraying with this one because this is quite strong. This is not meant for sensitive noses. None of the fragrances that I'll be talking about today in the Ramsons brand are meant for, no, they are not meant for sensitive noses at all. Only if you like strong fragrances, whether it's floral, fruity, woody or whatever your type may be, then only you can reach out for Ramsons and enjoy it in its entirety. Moving on to the next one, this is called Retro. I love the packaging with this orange, this retro theme going on, and white. It looks beautiful and stunning. Cardboard packaging again 40 ml, and again rupees 140 as the mark price. And I believe I got this one for 112 as well. Check out the Nykaa video to find out what was the price. I don't remember exactly. And this is how the bottle looks like from inside. This is a classic stunning bottle. This is a transparent bottle with white lid and a silverish cap. Glass bottle of course, but these are so small, I believe you can slip into your purse and carry it around. The packaging of this is very good as well. See, I'm struggling to take the lid off, so your fragrance will be safely secured. There won't be any spillage or any fragrance losing out into the air or evaporating, nothing. That's all. The spray is also very good. I hope my camera picked that up. This is just beautiful. It's fresh, it's spicy, it is alluring. I see a very confident person wearing and pulling this off. This can be a mysterious perfume as well. This is definitely a perfume that is unisex. Both men and women can wear it. Like Midnight, that one I believe it has a masculine lean, but this one is fairly and safely a unisex fragrance. Both you and your boyfriend, husband, father, if you want to share or if you want to give, this can be a very great option given the price point. It's nothing, everybody can afford this one, and you get hints of freshness, spicy notes, a bit of floral, a bit musky. It's all good things blended into one, and the blend is very nice. It's not overpowering. Yes, I mean sensitive noses, you need to give it a sniff before you purchase it. This can't be a safe blind buy for sensitive noses, I believe, because if you tend to get headaches and all, I don't know if this will be strong enough for you. But other than this is a strong fragrance. Like one sniff and you get the full blast of the fragrance in. But if you enjoy that, please try this one. This is great. And sensitive noses, if you can give it a sniff and try it on, please at least check this out. This is soft, subtle, yet strong. It's not overpowering. Like Midnight is overpowering on your senses. It might overwhelm you. This will not overwhelm you at all. The musk in here is a bit toned down, I believe. I believe there are ambery elements in this as well. It's so good. It kind of reminds me of the Engage deodorant in the green variant, which is aqua. But I don't feel the aquatic notes, but I kind of feel the scent is similar to that one. If you know and if you can understand what I mean, the green variant is, I believe, aqua. I believe so. Whatever it is, I'll try to give an image of that on screen. I believe this scent is very similar to that one. Yeah. But great purchase, because that is also, if I compare it with the pocket perfume as well, that is 60 rupees and you get 250 sprays, and I had an issue with the sprayer, so not quite happy about the spraying system of that one at all. But this one, from the packaging to the longevity to the scent, everything, there is no con, I believe, in this fragrance, unless you want to call glass bottle a con, because that is environment friendly, yeah, travel friendly also in my case, because I have no issues in traveling with glass bottles at all. Last but definitely not the least, this is the You Are Sweet variant, and this is the one that got me hooked to Ramsons in the first place. This is also a cardboard box with silver to blue, sky blue, and this ombre effect going on. Sweet fragrance, this is called You Are Sweet as well, and this is written Pour Femme. So this is a feminine fragrance in the first place itself. And the inside bottle looks something like this. Just look at this. This is a transparent bottle with a bluish green liquid with this silvery cap and with You Are Sweet written right here. It's a very classy, very chic bottle, and you can slip this into your purse and carry it around as well. This happens to be my favorite fragrance. If you see, I have made quite a bit of dent in this one as well. This is 30 ml. The other two fragrances that I showed are 40 ml. This is 30 ml, and this also is having a marked price for 140. But for this one, I got it at 95. I love this so much that I remember it very crystal clear that when I received this and I paid and I bought this from Nykaa as well, I got it at a discount and it was 95. So it was a stunning deal on which I got it for a stunning fragrance, of course. The lid is very good. It's secure, tightly shut. The atomizer is great as well. Oh my god. I can't tell you how good this is. This is straight up like jasmine. All the white florals, all the beautiful white florals you can imagine, they are all blended into each other. I mean, think about Rajnigandha, Bale or Juhi or any other beautiful white flowers that you can think of. Think of it all together and they are into one fragrance, and that is what you get here. Straight up a floral, feminine, delicate, sweet, gorgeous fragrance. Everybody will like this. I believe even sensitive noses can give this one a try because this is not overwhelming at all. I mean, next to Midnight, Retro is much simpler. It's not overwhelming. And next to Retro, this is not at all overwhelming. So yeah, in the decreasing order of overwhelming, I am showing the fragrances, but nonetheless, even if you don't try any other fragrance from Ramsons, please give this one a sniff. This is a beauty and this retails for only 140 rupees. Even school, college going kids can afford this. This is so super cheap, but the smell is not super cheap. Yes, from the first sniff you will get a bit of chemicalish hint, but then that goes away and you get beautiful fragrance. And I totally love this, and this is this beautiful glass bottle that will also look great on your vanity. Now this one as well as Retro as well as Midnight, this being subtle as well, they last for at least 3 to 4 hours minimum. These are EDPs, 4, you can even have 5 hours depending upon the climate you're in, your body chemistry and everything. But trust me, this is worth spending your money on, and it's not a lot of money you're spending as well. It's 140. That is the marked price. You will definitely get discounts on this all round the year on Nykaa. So great fragrance. I will highly recommend this one. Even if you don't try Midnight and Retro, please try US Sweet. This is definitely worth giving a shot. This one is, I believe, is something that will appeal to all age groups. Regardless of what age group you are in, you can definitely rock this and you will enjoy it. Midnight, I believe only the youth will enjoy, and Retro is another fragrance that every age group will enjoy, I believe. So Retro and You Are Sweet are my highest picks. Midnight, since I believe only a section of people can enjoy the fragrance, I'm not recommending that highly. But this one, yes, I highly recommend it, followed by Retro. So yes, with that we have come to the end of this video. I hope you had a nice time watching this video. These are all super affordable fragrance. Please try it out and let me know in the comment section how did it work for you, how did it fare for you, how did you enjoy it, or if you have already used Ramsons, let me know in the comment section your experience as well. I'd love to read those. And don't forget to hit the like button if you enjoyed this video. Share it with your friends who might be interested in super affordable Indian fragrances. And please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and join this family, and ring the bell icon next to it so that you're notified for all my future uploads. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, stay happy, stay healthy. Bye.